Hi everyone, I have these little purple Rudolphs. And I'm going to make a pair of earrings with them. And they sort of look like snowflakes, so, I mean they're not, but they sort of, they'll work. They sort of look like it. So we're going to hang our charms on first before we do anything else. So you take your ear wire and you twist it open like that. Hook it on upside down. Twist it back. Make sure it's closed. Do not ever pull them open like that. You always twist it. All right, let's do that again. All right. See, if you would pull it open like that, it'd be really hard to get it back together. You twist it to the side. So it looks like that. All right. And then take it face down and hang it. And then you take it and twist it back. And make sure it's closed. Okay, now take the red one, and I'm only going to put a snowflake or in between the bigger ones. I think these are dyed, or they've been dipped in resin or something. I said earlier I'm going to do a test on it and see if, yeah, I got it. See if that comes off. Because it said to keep them dry. So I have a feeling it won't stay on. I don't know where I got them. I've had them for a little while, so yeah, I don't know. Don't know if the color I'll hold up, but if it doesn't, then they'll be clear. And if they're clear, you can see it's ice. I don't know. We'll put this other one on. Whoops. Put the green one. And the red one. So I guess if you have something that you'd have to do a disclaimer saying please do not get these wet or you'll lose the color off of them. But I don't know that for a fact, so I'm going to have to test them. And I didn't tell you, but I'm going to leave like 5/8 of an inch there. Hold it down to the bottom. And so you don't fly across the room. Hang on to that wire, because otherwise you'll probably be stepping on it later. Trust me, that's not fun. I just stepped on some glass the other day, so and I don't know. I didn't break anything, so somebody else must have broke something and I stepped on it. Just roll it down. Try to get to the end of these. It'll make a smaller. And make a smaller hole. But just don't force it whenever you get to that bead, because whenever you get to that bead, you try to force it and you might break the, you might break it. So, that one I'm going to have to tweak a little bit. Because you want your dangles to hang right. Alright. And we're going to just go ahead and put these on silver. Since I put the little stars in there that look like they're silver. Take it, hold it where your deer's facing that way, and turn it down. So you want your deer facing that way. And all you did was twist it like you did whenever you did the eye pin on the deer, and then you twist it back. Get another one. Open it. Now some of these you can get open on the other side, so just make sure your deer is facing the front of the ear wire. So like that. Twist it back. Make sure it's closed. There's our lavender reindeers. Y'all, thanks for watching. And I hope to see you on the next one. This simple little earrings. You can use any colored beads, any kind of beads, any kind of charms, anything. And if you're using pearls, though, you'll need like 24 gauge wire, because they tend to drill those holes really, really small. At least 22. But some of mine 22 won't fit into, so if you get pearls, they're usually drilled small if they're freshwater pearls. Alright, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. And like and subscribe, it really helps me out. And until next time, bye-bye.